Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need the basics in place. Scribble turned on in iPad OS and Notability open to a note. First, pick the pen tool, choose a thickness and color so your strokes read clearly. Then, set a comfortable zoom in for fine detail, zoom out for broad gestures. Once done, rest the hand if supported. Make sure palm rejection is working by writing a short word. These initial steps get you writing immediately, avoiding shaky lines and accidental marks. Start writing naturally. Notability uses Scribble to interpret strokes into text as you lift the pencil, so keep letters distinct for better recognition. Once you have content, switch to the selection lasso to drag, resize, or group words. This helps reorganize ideas quickly. If you want typed text, use the convert option. Notability shows suggestions you can accept or edit. Also, use short pauses between phrases to reduce recognition errors. That improves conversion accuracy significantly, especially for cursive. Finish by refining strokes. Switch to the eraser with precision mode for tiny fixes, and remember two-finger tap to undo quickly. Then export your note as PDF or text depending on use. Exported text is handy but scan for punctuation or spacing quirks. If recognition stalls, make sure the pencil firmware is current. If issues persist, reboot the iPad or toggle Scribble off and back on in settings. That simple troubleshooting resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.